if you want to present out your designs to others, then what you have inside of Prezi Design is the presenting option as well. So to present out your designs, over here on the top, you can see present is an option. And once you click on this, what happens is that your design goes full screen, as you can see. And if your design is longer, you can see you have the scroll option over here as well. So let me just press escape to get out of the presentation mode right here. So what I can do is I can simply go around and pull this out, and what happens is that you have the design, as you can see. You can resize the design out over here as well, just like this, and then you can click and drag this around to arrange. So if I were to click on present, you can see that now this is the design right here, just like that. So let me just press escape over here. And over here in present, you got other options as well. So you can present, you can record a video out of it. You can present this in a video call. You can share and even add collaborators over here, as you can see. And these options are something we're going to see in later lessons. So that is how you can present out your designs from within Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.